I want present.
You want a present? Last evening, Papa gave you two gloves and a storybook. Who got a gloves and a storybook? Is that Sia little?
La! What storybook? Snow White! The Snow White book. What? I was being warm. Now got some fire.
You got it?
Do you remember the fireplace yesterday?
La 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 la. Oops. Oopsie. It came out.
Shh, don't scream.
It came out, Mama.
Okay, that's
It came out.
Is it? Do you want me to put it back in?
No.
Alright. What's with the yas here?
Law, it says.
What does ya mean?
Law says, please put this one back.
Okay.
Me.
Is that better?
Yeah.
What are you eating?
My fries. My fries would make me strong.
Okay. Love you.